Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to send money from your Wells Fargo account to Cash App in 2025, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, making it faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're paying a friend, splitting bills, or sending a quick gift, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently. First things first, make sure you have both the Wells Fargo app and Cash App installed on your phone. You'll need to be logged into your Wells Fargo account and ensure it's linked properly. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Start by opening the Wells Fargo app and navigating to the Transfers or Send Money section. In 2025, Wells Fargo has integrated better with external apps like Cash App, so look for the option to add a new recipient or connect to third-party services. Once you're there, select External Transfer and search for Cash App in the list of partners. If it's your first time, you might need to verify your identity or link your accounts securely. This helps prevent fraud. Enter the amount you want to send, double-check the recipient's details like their Cash App username or email, and add any necessary notes for the transaction. Before you hit confirm, take a second to review any potential fees. In 2025, Wells Fargo offers fee-free transfers for linked accounts up to a certain limit, but always check to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, authorize the transfer using your app's security features, like biometric login or a PIN. And just like that, the money should be on its way. You'll get a confirmation notification in both apps, and it typically takes just a few minutes to process. Remember, always prioritize security, use strong passwords and monitor your accounts for any unusual activity. There you have it, folks. Sending money from Wells Fargo to Cash App is quick and easy in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.